Hi guys, it's Kazim here. Thanks for tuning to this video. For those of you who don't know me and who are new to my YouTube channel, I'm a graphic designer and I teach people designing through my YouTube training videos. In this video today, I'll be teaching you how to use mockups in Adobe Photoshop. So I'm really excited to share this video with you guys. So
You can
without any
download
further ado,
free
let's dive into
mockups
Photoshop.
on the internet. You can Google and search any of the websites you want. For this tutorial, I'm using freakpik.com as the resource, and this is the link I'll be giving in the description as well, so you can download this file as well to use. So once you have downloaded this file, just open it up in Photoshop. Once you have opened it up in Photoshop, on the right side in the layers panel you can see uh, a folder named your design. So here mug1, mug2, mug3 and mug4 is there, which are all these. So to add your artwork on any of these, just double click. For now I'll just do double click on mug1 and it will pop up a message. Just hit OK. That says that it's a smart object and it will open in a new window. So this is the design that's there on mug1. So let's replace this with my KD logo. I have my KD logo open up here. I'll just copy it and I'll just paste it here, and I'll click on the move tool, arrow tool, and I'll click and position it on the left like so. And on the layers panel in the right side you can just unhide the other vector smart object, which is their other logo, or you can just to delete this default logo, you can just click and drag it all the way at the bottom on the trash can, and now our logo is only there. And once you're done, just close this and click on save, and then when you navigate to the file you'll see our logo has been placed there. Same way we can do for the other three cups as well. Just come in the layers panel and select the layer of the cup, and if you don't have your layers panel open up, you can come on Windows menu on top, click on Windows and click on layers, and this layers panel will open up. So I'll go and click on mug2 and I'll double click and it will open in a new window as well, and I'll just paste my logo here as well, and I'll just again delete this from the trash bin, or you can just drag it down, or you can just click on this trash icon and it will just delete it. Click yes and then again save. You can see on the cup on the left it has pasted our KD logo with the curve effect as well. Again I'll do on this on the second cup as well. Once you're happy with it, just hit save. And I forgot to remove this one, so I'll just delete it from here, and I'll just click save, and it has and that's how you create the mockups in Photoshop. And another thing you can do is you can change the background color. Just double click on this color control and it will pop up this new window. Just double click this and you can just change just to any color you want. Just hit OK and click save, and you'll see it has
So
changed.
that's how you use mockups in Adobe Photoshop, guys. I hope you guys have learned something from this training video. If you like the video, just hit the like button below, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos like this in your inbox. So I will see you in the next videos, guys. Thanks for watching.